In this video, let's see another IIT JEE problem which was asked in the year of 2004 for 1 mark in the IIT JEE previous year examination. We have already seen one numerical problem and this is the second numerical problem in succession and the topic of IIT JEE problems of the chapter Determinants. Now let's see what the question has to say and we'll be getting started with the solution. The question says if A is a matrix and it is having elements alpha to 2 alpha and A cube, the value of A cube, the determinant value is 125, that is 125, what is the value of alpha? Then we have 4 options, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 5. That means either alpha is 1 and minus 1 or 2 minus 2 or 3 minus 3 or 5 minus 5. That is it. Now we know that when this is your A and we have A cube, we will be having some help with this given data. So let's write the heading as solution first and see what is the value of the determinant actually. You have alpha to 2 alpha, alpha to 2 alpha and this is determinant. Now when you have det A means what? Determinant of A, it has to be obtained by cross multiplication, you know that. So it is alpha square minus 4, which is what? Which is det A. But the question doesn't give you data regarding det A, rather det A cube. That means what? That means you think that it is alpha square minus 4 as det A, but actually something called as the cube of it is given to you, right? So if the whole cube is given, it has to be equal to 125, it has to be equal to 125, that is what the question says. Now one thing is that what you do is, you actually solve it by the layman's method. The other thing is, use intelligent approach, save your time, use your options. Either it has to be 1 or minus 1. So put any one option and see whether it satisfies. If it does, yes, the answer is that only. If it does not, the answer is not option A at least, right? Let's say we use 1. 1 square is 1, 1 minus 4 is minus 3 cube is minus 27. Is it 125? No, not at all. Cross it. A is not your answer. Right? Next move on to 2 minus 2. Put any one of the values, say it is 2. 2 put here, 2 square is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 cube, 0. 0 is not equal to 125. Even this is not your answer. You get that? Right? Now let's see option number C. If option number C is your answer, well and good, else it will be always option number D then. Now if 3 and minus 3 are there, put any one value. Say we put 3. What is 3 square? 3 square is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125. Yes, it is the answer. So my answer is option number C. So the value of alpha is plus minus 3 for this question of IIT JEE.